right from the inception of the school in 1991, we are marching ahead with triumphs and glories. We look forward with fervor to celebrate its 25th years of purposeful existence shortly. We are grateful to all the parents and well-wishers of this esteemed institution who supported us on this journey towards excellence.
विद्वान् प्रशस्यते लोके विदुषः सर्वत्र गौरवं विद्यया लभते सर्वं विद्या सर्वत्र पूज्यते. ಜ್ಞಾನಿಯಾದವನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆದರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆತನಿಗೆ ಧನ, ಕೀರ್ತಿ, ಆನಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಲಭಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದಲೇ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೂಜಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರಿವಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ಮಗುವಿನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ವಿಕಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಒತ್ತು ನೀಡಿ ಪಕ್ವತೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಗುರಿ. ಈ ದಿಶೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವೇ ಈ ಪಾಲಕರ ದಿನ.
It gives us immense pleasure to have two distinguished guests who have left a lasting impression in the heart and soul of IPV, Ms. Dhanya Alva and Mr. Abhilash PG. May I request our beloved correspondent Shri USA Nayak and our respected principal Shri Ravindra D to escort the president of today's program, Ms. Dhanya Alva, and the chief guest Mr. Abhilash PG to the dais. Ms. Dhanya Alva is presently working as system engineer in Infosys at Mangalore. Mr. Abhilash PG is CRM consultant Capgemini in Bangalore.
ಶಕ್ತನ ಕೃಪೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಸುಲಲಿತವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನವಾಗಿ ಸಾಗಲೆಂದು ವಿನಾಯಕನನ್ನು ಸ್ತುತಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಾದ ಅನುಷಾ, ವರ್ಷಿತಾ, ಸ್ವಾತಿ, ಶಮಿತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ನೇಹ.
मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्ति साधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेव दैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृन्तनं कृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं नमामि तं विनायकं नमामि तं विनायकं नमामि तं विनायकं नमामि तं विनायकं नमामि तं विनायकम्.
Thank you Anusha and party for invoking the spirit of Almighty. Here we have a tiny tot, baby K. Prithvi Prabhu from first standard to welcome you all.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, parents, teachers, and all my dear brothers and sisters, good evening to you all. I am K. Prithvi Prabhu from first standard is here to welcome you all to the 24th Parents' Day of Indraprastha Vidyalaya. At the very outset, I would like to welcome the President of today's function, Ms. Dhanya Alva, System Engineer, Infosys Mangalore. On behalf of the management, the principal, and all those who are present here, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sister. I extend my warm welcome welcome to Mr. Abhilash PG, CRM Consultant, CAD Gemini, the chief guest of the 24th Annual Day celebration. I welcome you, dear brother. It's my duty to acknowledge the presence of our beloved correspondent, Shri U.S.A. Nayak, who is the architect of IPV. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome our beloved principal, Mr. Ravindra D., who is the inspiration force behind the success of IPV. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome our teachers, parents, press reporters, brothers and sisters, and all the well-wishers who have gathered here. I, on behalf of the management, the principal, and the whole Indraprastha family, welcome you all. Thank you.
Your sweet welcome. We take this privilege to welcome the dignitaries on the days by offering bouquet of flowers as a token of love and affection. Minister of our school parliament, Master Pawan GM of 10th B, to offer the bouquet to the president of today's program, Ms. Dhanya Alwa. I request the Education Minister of our school parliament, Master Rakshit Bibi of 8th standard, to offer the bouquet to the chief guest, Mr. Abhilash PG. Ms. Prapti of 9th B, Cultural Minister of our school parliament, is offering the bouquet to our correspondent, Shri U.S.A. Nayak, the visionary behind this temple of learning. Now I request Sports Minister of our school parliament, Master Manish Kumar of 10th A, to offer the bouquet to our dear principal, Shri Ravindra D. Thank you, children.
ಜನಪದರ ಬದುಕಿನ ಸೆಲೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಶ್ರೀಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರ ಜೀವನಾಡಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಜನವಾಣಿ ಬೇರು, ಕವಿವಾಣಿ ಹೂವು. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರದ ತವರೂರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಭತ್ತದ ತೆನೆಗೆ ಹಾಲೆರೆಯುವುದು ಸಮೃದ್ಧತೆ, ಸಿರಿವಂತಿಕೆಯ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೃದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದಾಹವನ್ನು ತಣಿಸಲಿ ಎಂಬ ಆಶಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಕಳಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭತ್ತದ ತೆನೆಗೆ ಕ್ಷೀರಧಾರೆಯ ನೆರೆದು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅತಿಥಿವರ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪ್ರಗತಿಯ ಪ್ರಲೋಭನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಸುಂದರ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮೃದ್ಧ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾತ್ರ ಹಿರಿದು. ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಿಸುವ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಸ್ಥಾನವಿದೆ. ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಮನ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು, ಧನ ಕನಕ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬೆಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಲಪ್ರದವಾಗಲಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿವಿನ ಸಿರಿ ತುಂಬಲಿ, ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ವೈಭವದಿಂದ ಸಾಗಲಿ ಎಂಬ ಆಶಯ ನಮ್ಮದು.
Thank you, guest, for inaugurating the 24th Parents' Day. To ensure a holistic education, the institution organizes various programs, provides qualitative facilities, advanced technology, and above all, a group of competent teachers. The annual report is prepared to highlight these aspects. May I request our principal, Shri Ravindra D, to take up his charge to give a brief report on this.
Respected President, Ms. Danya Alva, System Engineer, Infosys Limited, Mangalore. Chief Guest, Mr. Abhilash PG, CRM Consultant, Capgemini, Bangalore. Beloved Chairman of Indraprastha Charity Foundation, Bangalore. Members of the management, staff members, parents, teachers, President, and members of the Alumni Association, invitees, and my dear students. Our institution is established in the year 1991 with the searching aim of imparting modern and quality education. The school is run by Indraprastha Charity Foundation, Bangalore, under the able guidance of the visionary chairman, Shri U.S.A. Naik. This noble venture is envisaged by the founders to carry the flame of knowledge, idea and energy, instilling confidence, striving hard to bring out and chisel the best talent from our students. In the span of 24 years, the school has made a remarkable achievement in almost all fields of education. The small light lit up 24 years ago is being protected with all care and affection by the management. Slowly the light is beginning to shine in the state, national and international too. This small and beautiful school is celebrating its 24th Parents' Day celebration with a great joy and fervor. Strength. At present, 1,100 students are studying in our school. To meet the challenging demands of education, 37 well-qualified and dedicated teachers and 5 non-teaching staff discharging their duties with the care and concern. We place and record the service of Ms. Harsha Shetty, Mrs. Pratima, Mrs. Mistriya and Mrs. Suchitra, who left the institution on their own accord. In the meantime, I would like to welcome Mr. Vijay, Mrs. Rajani, Ms. Kruti, Ms. Vikshita and Ms. Vishmita, who joined our institution in this academic year. Mrs. Shashikala completed advanced training for guide captain, whereas Mrs. Bhavya and Ms. Shailashri completed advanced training for bulbuls. Mrs. Prafulla completed leader training for guides at Pachmadi of Madhya Pradesh. School is providing well-equipped laboratory and library facilities with more than 5,000 books to the staff and students. Computer is included in the school curriculum from 3rd standard onwards. To make the teaching and learning more interesting and innovative, 8 classrooms were converted into digital classes. Due to considerable increase in admissions, 2 floors were extended in the main building. The work is almost completed. The school parliament has been constituted to encourage this leadership quality among the students. Kumari Maithili M and Kumari Anusha K were elected as the leader of ruling and opposition party respectively. Master Pawan GM, Master Rakshit BV, Kumari Sitara S. Pai, Master Shankar Bharadwaj, Master Manish Kumar, Kumari Daritri and Kumari Prapti Jain were discharging their duties in their given portfolios. Separate class parliament has been formed to involve more number of students in this system. Session for the school parliament are conducting now Saturday last period. An effective counseling is essential to understand the problematic children and the children with learning disabilities. School had introduced a counseling center. 130 students were undergone the counseling in this academic year. Remedial classes for counseling were conducted at regular intervals under the guidance of students counselor Mrs. Padmashri. Our achievement curriculum. The 14th batch of SLC student rolled out with the flying colors, thereby bringing satisfactory moments to IPV family. The 100% results with the 23 distinction and 32 first class and 5 second class set an example, a standard, a precedent and a trend for the batches to follow. It is on this auspicious movement, school congratulating the students and thank the parents for having reposed a trust on this institution. Master Ajay Amtange was stood first to the school by securing 614 and Master Muhammad Tabish Hassan was secured with second with 613 marks out of 625. Our achievement co-curricular. As Madam Curie said, Waiting to win is common to all, but working to win is a style of committed. It is this commitment of all those involved made the institution identifiable in curricular and co-curricular activities. We have been participating in the science activities for many years. This year, our students have shown an impressive performance at Indian National Science and Engineering Fair and Initiative for Research and Innovations in Science by preparing science projects. 7 teams have taken part at Indian National Science and Engineering Fair held at Vivekananda College, PU College, Puttur. An innovative natural instant binding material from CNSL and lime was a project prepared by Master Srivara A and Master Tejas KS, secured 2nd Grand Gold Award and qualified to the national level. Master Nihal Nujibail carried out a project on hemigraphis alternata, an herbal wonder for prolonged skin problems of livestock, has secured a 3rd Grand Gold Award and qualified to national level. Efficacy of Vigna Manga on Mange and Ticks by Kumari Anusha K and Exora Coccinea root ointment for fungal infection of foot by Kumari Shravya and Kumari Fatima Misbah received silver medal. National level competition will be held at Chennai on January 10th, 2015. The project prepared by Master Srivara A and Master Tejas KS and Kumari Prapti Jain and Kumari Vrinda R. Prabhu had the distinction of participating in the national level competition held at Ahmedabad from 4th to 7th December 2014. Teachers behind these achievements are Mrs. Nishita K, Mrs. Jyoti Kiran and Mr. Krishna Prasad. I also acknowledge the support extended by the parents and special thanks to Mr. Badanaje Shankarabat, Dr. C.S. Shastri, Principal Nitte Gulabi Shetty Institution of Pharmaceutical Science, Deralakatte, and the Principal and lecturers of Vivekananda College, Puttur, for helping our children in the process of completing the project. Apart from these activities, school also encouraged the students to participate in various competitions conducted by the Department of Public Instruction and other organizations. Master Parikshit Jain was secured first and Master Mohammad Syed Shahs and Kumari Kriti Kailar were stood second in the Taluk level Yogasana competition. Kumari Maithili M and Kumari Anusha K were selected to the state level verbatim competition. School also secured second place in the district level science drama competition which was held at Mangalore. The team members are Kumari Risha Kiran, Kumari Ashika Shetty, Kumari Samiksha, Kumari Apeksha, Kumari Inchara, Kumari Tejashri, Gopalagowda, Master Aditya and Master Nikhil P. Ladwa. Shantivana Trust Dharmasala enforcing the children to read the books on value education. Under these books, various competitions were conducted in which Kumari Swati K secured first place and selected to the district level essay competition. And Kumari Anusha K got third place in the speech competition. Pratibha Karanji. Cluster level Pratibha Karanji competition was organized in our school campus. Students of our school secured many prizes in various events. School primary section was declared as a winner and lower primary was in the second place in overall championship. In the Taluk competition, Kumari Kriti Kailar received first place in Yogasana and second in clay model. Kumari Mariam Renisha Bastikar was first in the clay model. Kumari Aditi Shanai first in Hindi speech. Nihal Nujibail first in drawing, and they were qualified to participate in the district competition. Along with these prizes, school also received prizes in drama, Karnataka classical music, Urdu speech, science model, Sanskrit recitation and quiz. Kumari Kriti Kailar was unbeaten in the yoga competition even at the district level. Scouts and Guides. School has a Scout Guide Cubs and Bulbul units managed by trained instructors. It encouraged the children to go for camps, adventurous activities and live up to the motto, be prepared. Under this unit, various activities have been conducted this year. 8 Cubs and 6 Bulbuls were participated national level Cub Bulbul Utsav held at Gadpuri Haryana from 19 to 2014 to 23 to 2014. 3 cups and 15 bulbuls were attended district level Tritiya Sopana and Suvarnabang examination which was held at Sudhana Residential School, Puttur. 7 cups and 7 bulbuls participated in the district level Scout Guide Cub Bulbul Utsav held at Nillayadi. 17 cups and 12 bulbuls were attended Chaturtha Charana and Hirak Bank examination held at Mangalore. 6 scouts and 8 guides completed Rashtrapati Puraskar exam which was conducted in the State Training Center Kondaji, Davanagere and Dodpallapur, Bangalore. 13 scouts and 11 guides completed Rajya Puraskar exam which was conducted in Kondaji, Davanagere. 14 scouts and 8 guides completed Tritiya Sopana examination held at Puttur. Indraprastha had a privilege of hosting an overnight patrol leader camp for scouts and guides, cubs and bulbuls. 295 students were attended from different schools. It was a successful program and appreciated by the office bearers of the local and the district association. Mr. Sadashiv Bhatt, the scout master, was the camp leader. Sports and games. Sports and games are the integral parts of our educational system. Our students have been performing consistently in sports and games for the last many years. We secured several prizes in the cluster level competition conducted by the Department of Public Instruction, Puttur, Taluk. Master Chandan RK of 8th standard represented our school in the district both in volleyball as well as in throwball tournaments. Master Ahmad Affan got first place in Taluk level shot put and participated in the district level competition in the high school section. Master Nazwan Ahmad received second place in the Taluk level shot put and participated in the district level competition in primary section. Art Fest. To instill competitive spirit among the students, cultural competitions were conducted for the students of higher primary and high school section under the title of Art Fest. This program is inaugurated by Sri Keshava Gowda, member, Jilla Panchayat, Dakshina Kannada, and Sri Anil S. Kulkarni, Circle Inspector, Uppinagiri, was the chief guest. Various competitions were conducted for 2 days. In the closing ceremony, Kumari Anusha K. and Kumari Kriti Kailar were received the prizes for individual championships. Nobility House and the Honesty House bagged the first and the second place in total points respectively. Annual Athletic Meet. Annual Athletic Meet was organized at PU Pre-University College Ground, Uppinagiri. Mrs. Pushpalata, lecturer in English, Government PU College, Uppinagiri, and Mr. Sharun, BCCI Level 1 umpire, was the chief guest. This program was presided by the principal, Sri Ravindra D. Master Nazwan Ahmad, Kumari Fatima Shifa are the individual champions in the primary section. Master Manish Kumar, Master Ahmad Affan, Kumari Aparna Bukade, and Kumari Likita GK were the individual champions in the high school section. Honesty House and Charity House are the winner and the runners in the overall championship respectively. Seminar. As Rabindranath Tagore said, a teacher can never truly teach unless he or she is still in the learning process. To enrich the knowledge of the teachers, school always taking initiative to organize various training programs. Mr. Vijay Vishnu Malya, the national trainer, Indian Junior Chamber, on leadership and communication, Mr. Vinayak Prabhu and Mrs. Padmini and Mrs. Vani Shetty on fast arithmetic, Mr. Deepak, trainer Next Education Private Limited on digital classes were organized training for the teachers in this academic year. Along with this training, Mr. Hanna Murugan, coordinator for IRIS, Mr. Harish Bhatt, scientist, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, conducted orientation program for the teachers.